is a how-to video on how to do Flipgrid. The first thing that you need to do is join the period group for Flipgrid. So in Schoology, there should be a link on joining it. You should have done this the first week. Once you get to the link and follow it, it'll bring you to a page similar to this. It'll tell you the period, should be your period, my name, and then it'll ask you to either join with Google or join with Microsoft. I'm asking you to join with Google using your BCPS 1 account. Sign in, and it will take you to a page similar to this. It's a little bit different on mine just because I am a teacher, but you're going to go down to your groups and you're going to find my class, which is period 1B for this example. It's going to give you a brief description, some information, and then the topics. So the topics are what you actually record under. They're different like lessons almost, or activities. So this is the first lesson or activity that I gave you. There's a brief title and description that tells you exactly what to do. Sometimes there'll be a video for you to watch. Sometimes there'll be an example for you to read. It'll also tell you if you need to comment on anybody's for credit. And it'll give you a brief information. So you do not necessarily have to record your face or your voice for most of these. You could type it, you could write it, you could import a video, you could show an image. There's all sorts of different things that you can do. So when you're ready to record your response, you're going to hit record response. It's going to take you to a video like this. The first step is it'll tell you how long you have to record. And it'll tell you if it's moderated or not. There'll always be moderated, which means that I have to approve it before it'll get posted for the rest of the class to see. Under record, you have a couple options. So you can upload a clip, mirror your video, mute your mic, record your screen. There's some effects, filters, frames, emojis, text where you can type, you can draw. There's different boards that you can input, and you can select how much they take over. You can add a photo. You can also add a sticky note. Once you record your video, you can go on to the next slide and review it, trim it, whatever you need to do. You can add more to it if you need to. Then at the end, it's going to ask you to pick a selfie from your video. So you can select from somewhere along your video. You can add effects to it, etc. From there, it'll upload it. It'll give you a display name. You can title it, and then you can submit it. Once in here, all of the responses from the rest of the class will kind of populate, and you can comment on them as you need to, depending on what the prompt tells you. And that's it.